I've certainly talked about Chemprocide many times in the past, but now more than ever is a good time to remind all you folks in the hair industry that Canadian-made, in fact BC-made Chemprocide is a fantastic alternative to our friend Barbicide. Barbicide, of course, is the gold standard for disinfecting that we've all been familiar with through all the years in the hair industry. Chemprocide is just as effective, lasts longer. You don't have to change it daily like you do have to your Barbicide, and you can get 119 liters of Chemprocide out of this bottle. You can get 30 liters of Barbicide out of this bottle, and they cost the same. These two containers cost the same. 119 liters, 30 liters. Change daily, change when it starts to get cloudy and murky. And so every couple days, if it starts to get cloudy, brush off your tools before you drop them in here. Brush off your combs, get the hair off of them and such, so that it remains clear for longer. The difference is that this is clear and this is blue, as we all know. So we can get used to having clear in our disinfectant container. So we have it here available. If you need to save some money, or if you'd like to save some money, why not save some money? Come and pick up some Chemprocide.